So here we have the Litever LED lights. As you can see here, it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. We've got the mounting clips here, a cable, some adhesive tape, some strips, pretty much got everything to mount these bad boys like wherever you want to. So let's give them a whirl, shall we? Here it is all lit up. It does use a sensor, which is pretty small. Here's the door sensor switch right here. Let's turn off the lights and see how it looks. So yeah, lights up your bathroom pretty well in my opinion. Like, I could see you like easily using these to like walk around the bathroom at night or whatever. So yeah, I'm not sure where I'm gonna hang these up yet, but I definitely will, and I recommend you give them a try if you want to. Before I go, I also want to say that these like lights are like held together with like some of the most annoying plastic you've ever like seen in your life. So be sure to get like a little knife when like opening it up.